The Gym24 Equipment's multi-home gym GFTS-701 is a versatile and premium functional trainer designed to bring a professional-grade workout experience to your home. Here's a detailed look at its features. Price, 89,900. Buy here, link in description. Subscribe my channel. Functional trainer with Smith machine. This multi-gym combines a functional trainer and a Smith machine, offering a wide variety of exercises including squats, bench presses, and cable exercises. It's great for full-body workouts, targeting every major muscle group. Pec fly with rear delt. The inclusion of a pec fly and rear delt attachment allows users to work on their chest and shoulder muscles, making this machine suitable for both upper body and core exercises. Durability and design. The yellow-black color scheme gives it a sleek, modern look, while the solid construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's made to handle heavy-duty workouts and frequent use. PVC stack. Equipped with a PVC stack, this gym equipment provides smooth resistance, reducing wear and tear over time. The stack ensures that weight adjustments are easy and efficient during your workout routine. All-in-one home gym. The multi-gym design means you can perform a wide range of exercises from leg workouts to upper body routines, eliminating the need for multiple machines or equipment. Ideal for home use, its compact yet comprehensive design makes it a perfect addition to any home gym, providing the functionality of multiple machines in one. Price, at 89,900 rupees, it's a high-end investment, but for those serious about fitness, it offers the convenience of a professional gym setup in the comfort of your own home. You can buy it here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fitness equipment reviews.